Hello guys, today we are gonna find the impressions with using Google BigQuery. We will connect Google Search Console data to BigQuery and we will run SQL queries in there, and with this way we will find the impressions. After we find our impression, we can create content like using this impression, because there are some minimal and impressions that's getting click, but when we look at the Google search, we cannot see or we cannot find that impressions and these keywords, so we don't want to miss these keywords. Let's say we have the keywords like eBay login, so but we don't see that keyword in the expression. So to find that, we will use the Google BigQuery, and we will make list, and according to these clicks or impression we will find the keywords. After finding keywords, we will create new contents that will be very good for your marketing strategy.
Now we are making analysis, and I want to show you that you can see in select section data date, query clicks, impressions, and top position. There is a one thing important for us. For example, we are seeing that we should focus eBay because in the impression we are getting some clicks from eBay. So we will create an content in here, but we want to take words in query section which is matching eBay. So we will write a query in here, and to modify this query we will add here like, and lower query like eBay. After that we will uh, run it to take which is matching eBay. Now we are starting run. As you can see, which are the queries you are taking impression. So we will focus these keywords to create new content. After that we will check how it will goes in the next a few days. Now we are checking our clicks and impression, and as you can see, the query section is null, but we want to see where these clicks comes from. But actually it, it gives a null, and there are so many like clicks and query is null. Is there a problem with the Google Search Console, or is there any solution? How can we tackle with this? So I will try to find a solution. I will screenshot of this part, and after that I will load it to Google Gemini, and I already asked them, and I set these query results, which is from Google Search Console data, to BigQuery, and query is null but taking traffic. Why? So as a solution, it shows us users might be typing in your URL. That can be, but it is not that what we are looking. So there are some ways to investigate further. I checked and segmentation for my traffic source in Google Analytics. We will try to use that solution because it can help us to find where the clicks comes from. At these days, Google has a problems, I think, with these kind of low volume websites, but these low volume websites also has a niche and they have a target. So we will try to find our clicks, and we will try to find where it users comes from. According to that, we will optimize our content. Now we will check for that.